Let's all start looking at 100 years from now. What's my state, my neighborhood, my roads going to look like 100 years from now?
It's so special to be able to live in this kind of environment. It's been wonderful for us to see the land restored.
I'm a hunter, and to take a section this big is going to certainly improve it and improve it for years to come.
I've hit some bad years. The help we get from the NRCS is mostly funding. It helps out a lot.
These NRCS programs benefit the wildlife, the conservation, and then the actual landowners or operator himself.